Tire and wheel manufacturers face unique challenges in the assembly, transportation, and storage of products that often fall outside standard equipment capabilities. These challenges require unique material handling solutions that are scalable and adaptable to the needs of this specialized industry. This custom tire and wheel handling system was designed, validated, and manufactured by Bastian Solutions Custom Automation Division at their facility in Greenfield, Indiana. Over 2,000 feet of custom conveyor securely transports various sizes of tires and wheels from induction to the assembly process, where the tire and wheel are paired and then moved to storage. For increased quality assurance, elements of the conveyor are coated with orange polyurethane to protect the wheel surface from marring and damage. Tire stacks of 4 are moved with a 4-way pop-up transfer conveyor. This allows for smooth and efficient merging from multiple lanes of conveyor into a singular lane. Custom-designed controls error-proof the destacking process by ensuring tires are properly and safely centered. This maintains a steady throughput and prevents equipment damage. Storage utilization is maximized with the implementation of a tire stacker that accurately accumulates tires in groups of 4. Designed for space efficiency, the system maneuvers spare tires to separate takeaway lanes with a 3-lane lift that serves a polytier conveyor. HMIs are leveraged to provide real-time, complete views of this solution. This allows custom-designed controls to operate the system from start to finish, with room for adaptability. Operators receive instant feedback on machine status, and maintenance personnel obtain diagnostic information for quicker error recovery. Controls and product tracking options like barcode scanning can be adjusted based on client and project needs. Bastian Solutions Custom Automation engineers' experience in the tire and wheel handling industry, combined with a thorough understanding of the customer's requirements, delivered a competitive edge and exceptional customer experience with this custom turnkey material handling solution. For more information, talk to an engineer at bastiansolutions.com.